And we are back with another video, and after yesterday's very sad video about the Hellcat most likely having to go back, a total unwind to the dealership in St. Louis because of emissions issues, we're going to do something different today. But first, I want to thank you all for the incredible support in yesterday's video. That was amazing, and I got to tell you, every comment was positive. I did not have a single negative comment. So thank you all for all the positivity and support, because this does suck tremendously. And some of you said, well, you're taking it really well, and it's very impressive how well I'm taking it and mature I'm taking it. Just know that off camera, before that video, there were a lot of cuss words being said and frustration. But once I've got myself to the acceptance stage on something, it just is what it is, and we're going to work through it, and we will work through it, and we'll end up with something better, I'm sure, in the end. With that said, today we're going to do something a little different. As you all know, I bought a Toyota Camry 2022 Toyota Camry a few weeks ago for my daily driver, which would enable me to enjoy my Hellcat in so many ways on the weekends, which isn't going to happen. And this car is awesome. It is almost 40 miles to the gallon. It has been perfect since I got it just less than a month ago, and I've already got almost 1,500 miles on it. But there are a few things about it that I want to change. And yes, modding a Camry is not something you all came to this channel for, but we're going to do it. We're going to black out the chrome trim, which was the first thing my wife said you've got to do. And we're going to black out the emblems on the back. And we're going to do all this for less than $100, because why would I spend a whole bunch more money on this thing when it's meant to commute with? But first, we got to do a cold start on the 2022 Toyota Camry. Ready? Woohoo! Listen to that. It's just not the same, is it? All right, we're going to go wash this sucker because it is filthy, and we'll get back in the driveway and get this thing blacked out. Let's go. All right, let's hear it. Let's go. Man, it's just not the same. Alright, so check out those gas prices. We need gas in this Camry. $6.19 for regular versus almost $6.40 for premium, which I would have to put in the Dodge. Again, why this is a great daily driver. And what freaking side is the gas tank on? It's on the left-hand side, and I've got about a quarter tank. So let me show you how much it costs to fill this thing up. Alright, so I'm going to get copyrighted, so we're going to put my music over the top of this and show you what it costs to fill this sucker up. Alright, so it goes to 410 miles on a tank, and that's really pretty reliable based on what I've experienced so far. So to give you a good perspective, when I tried to drive the Hellcat for just a couple of days, I was averaging about 175 miles per tank. So this saves me a ton of money, plus it's 87, not 92. So it's cheaper gas, still expensive, but much better. This thing's serving its purpose. Now let's go wash it. Check out that Lexus all blacked out. Looks good. That's what I'm about to do to the Camry. Thanks, man. Thank you. Take care. All right, so we are back and the car is clean. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do now. But what scares me a little bit is that the vinyl for the window trim here came in this tube. So we'll open this up and check it out in a second. But let me show you what we're going to do here. And this is the chrome. Now, some of you may think that it looks just fine the way it is, especially with the wheels with the silver accents in it. But I can tell you, when you see it done, you're going to probably agree with me. I'm going to change those to black as well. I think you'll agree, once it's done, it looks a whole lot better. So let's get started and dig into this thing and see how this came and how easy this is going to be. It shouldn't be too hard, but I always think that and then dig in and find out that it's a lot harder. All right, so let's check out this vinyl and see how well it's cut to fit and how self-explanatory hopefully it is. All right, so let's see how it came out. So I got the black gloss, since the paint's gloss, And it looks like everything's cut out really nicely. This should be pretty simple to figure out. So let's start applying this to the car. Alright, so I'm going to use this prep spray that I got from the tinted taillights on my Hellcat. Oh, it's another thing I did to the car. This is wonderful. To make sure that this is perfectly clean so that the vinyl will stick nicely. Do that all the way around. The wind's blowing. What the hell? Let's take a run at it here. Oh yeah. Alright, looks good. Now we're just going to damp that thing down after we get our package from the Amazon guy. And that looks like it needs to come down a little bit, so that sucks. We're going to get this thing lined up good.
No, I found you.
Oh, you did?
I just gave you a follow.
On Instagram?
Yeah.
And check out YouTube, dude. You can watch the saga of yesterday's video of them taking my Hellcat away.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna.
A bunch of bullshit.
I'm gonna take a look. Oh, dude. Wait, can I see it? Like,
go check it out, dude. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. So.
I think I've seen you around. That's why I've seen you every now and then.
I think it's open. There, I got the keys right here. But that's so that. If I don't know what I'm gonna do there, but if I get rid of that, then I'll get something really crazy. Because at this point, I'm just freaking frustrated, you know?
Yeah.
Because
I think that's what I want later on. I'm like, man, I want to, because I have a truck right now, but I'm just like, I already got the bike.
yeah, motorcycles are crazy, dude. I see you guys out there doing wheelies, and I'm gonna buy life insurance on you guys. Check this thing out. So this is, I mean, look at that interior, dude. It's freaking beautiful.
So they sold you the wrong thing?
Sold me the wrong car. I bought all this stuff for it. I got the cold air intake, and I got everything for this car, dude. But this is where everything went sideways. This is what sucks, dude. And every car comes with this sticker. But mine says, not for sale in California.
Oh, no.
One messed up, dude.
So the dealership called you?
No, I went to go smog it because I bought it out of state. And it passed. But then he says it came back with this non-compliant flag. So I took it to the registration place and they said, look under your hood. They shouldn't have sold it to you. They got to unwind the deal and sell me one that's made for California.
No way.
And I've had it, what, 56 days now in 8 hours. So
that's
that sucks.
so stupid.
I even did the rear diffuser on it. I tinted all the parking lights, blacked out the windows.
And you can't get away with that? Or the like...
No, they won't let me register it.
Damn.
So it's over, man. That's
stupid.
It sucks, dude.
Yeah. I'm trying to I'm just gonna go to a sales job. Yeah. And I'm trying to go firefighting and piloting.
Nice, dude. That's awesome.
So hopefully that'll land well, but right now I'm trying to take on a sales job for solar.
Oh yeah, there's money in that, dude, especially right now.
Yeah, it's all commission though, that's the issue. I'm like, dang, if I was working hourly that'd be cool, but if it's all commission, that's a little risky.
It's scary, man. I spent 10 years straight commission, and it was till I got into leadership and real estate, and it'd grow hair on your chest, man.
Oh.
I mean, straight commission's a whole different animal. I tell people, until you've worked straight commission, you don't know what it's like to really, really have to hustle with fear every single day.
Yeah, it's, you know, that's why I'm kind of nervous about it, because I'm like, at least I'm getting constant money out of this job.
Yeah.
But it's just like a lot. It's just a lot.
But you're young. How old are you?
I'm 23.
Yeah, so if you're going to take risks, you got any kids yet?
Not yet.
So if you're going to take risks, do it now.
Yeah.
Go out, and because worst thing, you hang yourself a little bit, and you come back, you become so strong when you're commission only, dude.
Yeah.
Because you know why? You get up in the morning hustling. There ain't no guarantee of a paycheck that day.
Yeah.
No, it made me who I am today, man. Having to go out there and beat the streets with no expectation of a paycheck. Even waiting until I have a paycheck coming because I got a deal. On a Friday it's supposed to come. I remember one time I was going to get $7 grand. Deal was going to close. Fell out because the ex-wife wouldn't sign a quitclaim deed. to get off the property, or they're going through a divorce. Killed my deal, didn't get paid. I was literally living in a hotel down to like 26 bucks with my girlfriend, and I'm like, I have no money. I have no money.
Wow.
And then you go, I sold cell phones for a month just to get by. I mean,
dude, that's what I did. Like I'm pretty much left my parents' house, and then right now, like, well, I did Uber Eats for a bit, and then I got this job, and so I kind of like moved from job to job to kind of figure out like what was best for me.
Yeah.
And so now I'm gonna do the sales job. But I mean,
so is it true if somebody puts on their front door for you guys to dance, ring the bell and dance, so you guys will really dance?
No.
Hell no, I ain't gonna do that. I saw those
even...
TikToks, you know, people are out there dancing.
Yeah, I mean, if
you see the Amazon guy that sat on the cactus?
He did?
Oh my God, dude. Go on TikTok, just put in Amazon cactus. And this kid puts the package down, there's a cactus over here, and he gets full of thorns.
Damn.
And you hear him go, no, 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 no. Now you're young, dude. Do as many things as you can. Find out what you want to do. Take risks, take chances. Because one day you wake up and you're me. You got a kid, you got a wife, you got 3 cats. I don't know, maybe 4. One's missing every other day.
My girl already has one, so and she's like, let's get another. I'm like, bro.
And guess what they all want? To eat.
Yeah.
So you gotta feed them, dude. So do it now. You only have to feed yourself, man. I'll help you get on the ground, dude.
Yeah.
Or off the ground.
Awesome. I appreciate it.
And show everybody you can do commission only. When you tell your friends, I'm commission only. They'll be like, what? What planet are you from? You got antennas on your head?
I know. I haven't even told anybody about it yet because I don't want to be like, yeah, it's gonna be commission only. Like, bro, you an idiot.
Oh, my parents thought I was crazy. Like, get a real job.
Yeah.
And my dad owned his own business, so he was commission only. It's just like owning your own business.
Yeah.
So once you do that, dude, everything's easy after that.
Well, that's good to hear. I'll take a look at your channel now.
Yeah.
I'm interested.
Right on, man. I'll put some of you on there.
All right, man.
All right, thanks, man. We'll miss you as the Amazon guy. So that's awesome. Sometimes you get impromptu opportunities to motivate people and inspire them and be inspired by the ambition in these young folks. I just love it. What a great guy. And he loves cars too, so pretty cool. Now let's get this damn sticker lined up.
Peel it off and put it on so easily.
Oh, once it heats on there, it's not coming off.
Oh, you use the heat gun?
I use the heat gun. And then magic. I wave my credit card over it and it sticks.
What?
I wave my credit card over it and it does whatever I want. Same thing as you. Yes.
It still looks so much better. So much better. Are you using my Amazon boxes as a stand?
Here's your box.
And I'm like, wait a minute, I think that's mine. Thanks.
You're welcome. All right, we are done with the driver's side. What do you think? I mean, I think with the sun over time, it'll take out any little wrinkles and bubbles, but for an amateur and for $28, I think it makes the car look a lot better, and I can always peel it off. I don't like it. All right, I'll do the other side and do the emblems and we'll wrap this video up. All right, so we blacked out the chrome around the windows. Now let's go ahead and black out these emblems. Here's how they come. These are like 30 bucks. There's some for like over $100. I don't know if they're any better, but these seem to look just fine. So we'll see how they withstand the test of time. But this is how easy these are. Let me show you this. There's 3M tape on the back. Peel that off, stick that over the top of that, and boom, you got black logos. So let's get that done. I'll show you the final outcome of the 2022 Camry SE. All right, so I am done, finished. The windows were a bit of a pain in the ass, but with the heat gun, that's the only way to go. It all worked out. So my recommendation, if you do this, get these things on the best you can, and then let the heat gun finish the job. As with anything with stickers or vinyl, so that came out great, and it'll only get better as the sun cures the vinyl and it stretches onto that windowsill a little bit better. And then the logos in the back came out great. Look at that, all blacked out. Looks phenomenal. For like 30 bucks, changes the look of the car. Here's the driver's side. So, I don't know, what do you think, folks? I mean, what a transformation. I think it looks so much better, looks so much meaner. And if a Camry can look mean, I mean, it looks mean. So, what a transformation for under $100. And this thing looks awesome. Now, there is some chrome here that I need to address, and maybe even powder coat the wheels black. But for now, this will do the job. I did order some smoke tint to cover up this part right here. Be here in a few days, and the car will look beautiful. So let me know what you think in the comments below. There will be links in the description below for these parts and these items to black out your Toyota Camry. And if you are one of my Mopar subscribers or Lambo subscribers, sorry about the Camry video, but this thing is the best daily driver I've had next to that Prius, and it just doesn't look as bad as the Prius looks. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, stay motivated, be respectful, have a great one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.